Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll start by picking the exact targets, pages, headings, or bookmarks, and creating a bookmark where you want a link to land. Once done, show the navigation pane so you can quickly verify destinations. Next, select the word, phrase, or object that will become the link. Press Ctrl+K or Insert Link. Choose Place in this document, then select the bookmark or heading. This sets a direct, internal link. It's fast and preserves structure when you rearrange pages later. Now focus on connections that affect running headers, footers, and page numbering. Insert section breaks where formatting must change, because section breaks control how parts of the document relate. Then open header/footer and decide. Keep link to previous checked to inherit content or unchecked to break the connection. Make sure page numbers are consistent. Insert them and set numbering to continue or restart. Once you manage sections, your visual continuity and navigation, links behave predictably across. Finish by testing every internal link and header/footer across the document so you catch misplaced targets. If a link goes to the wrong spot, update the bookmark or recreate the link. Often broken links come from moved content or deleted bookmarks. Also verify your section breaks. An extra break can disrupt numbering or header links. Finally, save and export a PDF to lock the results, but keep a Word copy for edits so you can repair bookmarks quickly if content shifts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.